Hey guys, welcome to my backyard. I'm gonna talk about the BB, my BB gun though. Right now I'm just gonna, water bottle. Yeah. I'm gonna take this, I guess, put it in a conveniently placed ladder, and then I'm gonna go up here. I'm just sit in this chair, and I'm gonna show you all about this BB gun, all its whatever's. Okay, so. Oh, frisbee. Frisbee. I'm gonna put that aside. Okay, so here's my gun. And here's its magazine. You can see the pellets. Yeah. Oh, let me focus in. If you can. Oh, whatever. I think you could see some green in there. Those are pellets. What? Those are the BBs. These are even more BBs. Oh my gosh, dog. Yeah, ultrasonic bubbers. Bunch of them, right? Oh, okay. So, it's a lot of these. Let's start shooting, shall we? I'm gonna put this in the gun. Hold on. Can I do it? Yeah. Oh no, hold on. I failed. I failed again. Again? Yeah, you heard me. Okay, so it's loaded and ready. Safety is off. Let's see if we can shoot the water bottle. I'm gonna try to shoot it. If I can. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta. Okay, there you go. I have to pull back. Woo! One try. We did it. 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 Okay, so there's not really much. I think the bottle took the I'm guessing the force, and it survived that time. Let's see what else we could shoot. Hold on. Whoops. You see some whatever. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I got this container thing I could shoot. Yeah. I'm gonna shoot that point blank. Let's see what damage it could do. Okay. This is so weird. Yeah. I don't want to get ricocheted by this though. But oh well. Okay, what did that do? Did I even shoot it? I don't know what it did. You know what, let's shoot some cloth. Like, I'm gonna shoot like my chair, I don't know. I'm just gonna shoot it. Random. Oh yeah, actually we should shoot the water bottle point blank too. There you go. Let's see what they did. I think that's a direct hit right there. You can see a big fat dent. I'm just saying, I know it looks weak whenever I shoot the water bottle, but trust me, it's gonna freaking hurt. Oh, okay. It's gonna freaking hurt. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot my chair. I'm gonna do. I have no idea what it did. Let's shoot everything. Ugh. Okay, I keep dropping my phone and then because I have to do it. Dog. Okay, so shoot my wall. Shoot my wall. Oh, I see something. Let me focus in. If you guys could see it. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Huh. That's a little bit of BB that just went on my wall. Hold on. Shoot, more things. We should shoot paper, but I can't find any paper anywhere. Where should we shoot? Just roaming around my backyard. I guess I can't shoot anything maybe anymore. Let's shoot. Oh, yeah, actually, let's go back here. But my backyard's kind of small. Maybe. I don't know. Depends how you see your backyard as. Oh, yeah, I remember you. Lemon something. Frisbee. I just found this frisbee in a garage sale. I mean, this was from a garage sale. We just bought it just because. It's so random. Lemonade. Or like, I can't do anything. Oh, let's make it like in a weird angle. Like, I mean a cool angle. Wait, hold on. Can you shoot it? Oh god. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video right now. I'm having too much fun with this gun. Oh, one last thing. I know what to do. Hold on. I'm gonna shoot myself. Alrighty. Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna do that for the sub special. What am I doing? Okay, tricked you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the video now. Thank you guys for watching. Real life video. Like if you enjoy. Like for backyard. Like for